Bro, Capcut just ruined their whole entire platform. Let me tell you guys why. Come on. We're gonna ask your handy dandy ChatGPT what the hell they did, so you guys have a better understanding. Let's do it.
What did Capcut do to their terms and conditions?
Wait, in simple terms, because I'm not gonna understand sometimes. There we go, much better. So look, there's 4 things, right? 4 big reasons why everybody woke up mad, upset, pissed off at Capcut today. Because that's the platform that I currently use. And what they did today, I'm probably gonna have to switch to Premiere Pro. And everybody who uses it as a beginner knows that's one of the hardest softwares to learn in today's world. But let's get into it. Number 1, broad permanent rights to your content. You're telling me everything I have in my catalog of videos, I know this platform from the back end to the front end. I have all my presets on my mouse. See all those buttons? I use cutting, deleting, taking the sound out of the actual clip. I just know this app so well, and for them to do that, I can't. Do they update this? It looks kind of new, but look, all of my videos.
You're telling me they have rights to all these videos now?
This can't be.
These are my videos, and also the videos that you have.
If you're using Capcut,
are yours personally.
No one can take these videos away, but that's what Capcut's doing right now. But why are they doing that? Let's read it.
By uploading anything, videos, photos, voice, music, you give Capcut and its partners and their... That's insane. Full worldwide royalty-free rights to use, modify, share, and even sub-license it.
Forever.
Even if you delete your account. Bro, so they already have my videos in their catalog. Let's keep going on. Come on. Number 2.
Your content is no longer confidential.
That's kind of invading human rights at that point. Alright. They split. Hey, calm down, you guys.
They explicitly state that anything you upload isn't treated as private. If it's sensitive, it could be used or shared in ways you might not expect. That's violating in a whole different level.
Number 3, you waive control and compensation.
What? No.
You're basically agreeing not to have a say, get paid, or even complain if your image, voice, or creation are used in ads, promotions, or third parties. So, that being said, if they use one of your videos and that video goes viral, you are not
gonna get paid at all.
In simple terms, you're not gonna get any share or any right to that clip that went viral.
You just won't get paid for it, pretty much. That's it. Number 4.
Heavy legal protection for Capcut. You also agreed to defend them if someone sues them over your upload.
Bro, what? Why would they do that?
And you're giving up legal routes like class actions. Any dispute goes to private.
Arbitration? What does that mean? Arbitration
is a form of alternative dispute resolution where two neutral... I don't care, that just doesn't sound good.
Capcut themselves are saying, anything you share with us, your face, voice, videos belongs to us.
What kind of dictatorship is this?
We can do anything with them, anytime, anywhere, without paying you. Whoa, bro, no, they went bold. They went bold with that quote. Oh, well, at that point, you guys, you know what we have to do. We're gonna have to cancel with Capcut. Confirm. I canceled it because they're not going to use my face without paying me, because everything I uploaded, I should be compensated for correctly. Whatever you guys make, you guys should be compensated as well. You're taking time out of your day to create these amazing videos for them just to use them and profit off of you. I don't think that's correct. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. As of now, we're going to be moving to Premiere Pro, even though I feel like that's one of the hardest editing softwares to. I might just let them profit off my videos, because at this point, I don't even know, man. This is getting too hard for me, man. I quit. Don't say it, man. I quit.
To learn how to use, but at this point, we might as well get ready, get used to it, start learning, because as I said in the beginning of the video, I started using Capcut Pro since 2021 to 2022, and it's 2025. Now I've been using Capcut Pro for 4 years almost, and I've become very efficient with it, very efficient with it, very quick, and now I have to reprogram all my macros to my mouse to whatever Premiere Pro has set for them. But that being said, we're gonna have to move on to this. Even though it looks very tedious, if anybody else that's online uses this and has succeeded with it, why can I, right? Everything is possible if you guys put your mind to it. Never forget that. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. I just wanted to get that out the way because it is some bullshit. I know I don't want to curse no more, but it's bullshit. Why are they taking the rights away from the people that are making them? Capcut used to be free, and now they charge $5, $10, $15, $20, like just like barber prices. They just keep rising. It is what it is. I had to cancel, so should you, because like I don't want them to profit off of me. So we're gonna use a new platform. It is what it is. Hopefully you guys had an amazing video. Hopefully you guys had a great time. I love you guys. You guys take care.